to Gurudeva e-learning classes. Yes, dear children, in the previous class we already started our sixth topic, that is people around me, right? Yes, in the previous class I shown you how to read this lesson and I had listed out some interesting words. Have you practiced those? Yes, in today's class let us move on to this lesson, that is people around me. Okay? Yes. See, people around me means except our family members, there are many people, there are different people who are going to help us for our daily life. Okay? Yes. Let us see who are those. Yes, dear children, let us see one by one. See the first one, milkman. Okay? Who is milkman? See, milkman delivers milk to our homes. That is nothing but the person who supplies milk to our homes. Okay, he is called as a milkman. Every day morning we need milk, right? Yes, to drink milk or to drink tea, coffee, we are making that by using a milk. That's why we need a milk, and the person who supplies or who delivers milk to our home is called as milkman. He is helping us, right? By supplying the milk, he is making our life easier. If milkman do not supplies milk to our home means we only go to shop and we only buy the milk. But when we have a milkman, he will supplies milk to our home daily. He is making our life easier, right? Yes. Then the second one is sweeper. You already saw the meaning of sweeper in the previous topic. That is nothing but who keeps our surrounding clean. Okay. See, sweeper keeps our neighborhood clean. Neighborhood is nothing but our surrounding. Okay. He is a person who is going to clean our neighborhood. If sweeper is not there means we only clean our neighborhood. He is also making our life easier. Then postman delivers letters to us. Have you saw the postman? See the picture of postman? Yes, he is a postman. See, he has a post letters. Okay, he has a letters. He will delivers letter to exact person. For example, if you wrote a letter for your sister, she is in Bangalore. Okay, just imagine she is in Bangalore. How can you give that letter? You write the letter and you will put that letter in the post box. Then postman collects that letter and he will deliver letter to your sister by their own way. Okay, like that postman helps us. Then the next one is police. Catch thieves and keep us safe. There are thieves in our society, right? Thieves means kallaru. Okay, police catches the thieves and keep us safe. If thieves are there in our surrounding, we are in the fear, isn't it? ಕಳ್ಳರು ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಆವಾಗ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಥೀವ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ they will let them to be happy or they will let them to be feel comfortable to live. Okay, if we lost our items like phone or our necklace, any items if we lost, we will give complaint to police. Then police helps to find our things and he will give back to us. Police also helps in this way also. Not only catching the thieves, he also helps in getting back our lost things. Okay, see the next, doctor. Yes, if you are ill or if you are sick. What do you mean by ill or sick? Anarogya. Okay, if you are ill, who will treat you? Yes, very good. If you are ill, doctor will treat you. See, doctor treats us when we are ill. Okay, if you are suffering from fever or if you are suffering from cold, cough, anything, doctor is there for us, right? Yes, he will treats us and he will gives us medicines and he will helps us to maintain a good lifestyle. Okay, that's why we need a doctor in our society. Doctor is also helping us, right? Yes, doctor is helping us to be healthy. people who are going to help in our daily life. Let us see those. Before going to those, you have to write all these in your classwork notebook. Yes, then watchman. Why do we need watchman? Yes, watchman guards our colony. Yes, that is nothing but an watchman protects our colony. Especially at the night time, if thieves enters our colony, watchman will protect us from thieves. Okay, if he is present in the colony, then thieves also fear to enter the colony. He is keeping us safe, right? Yes. Then gardener. You all know about gardener who looks after the flowers and plants in the garden. Yes, gardener maintains the garden by looking after the flowers and plants in the garden. Okay, he will remove the fallen leaves and will supplies water to all the plants and he will maintains the garden. Okay, he is specially there for looking for the flowers and plants in the garden. Okay, if garden is not there means all people went to gardens and they will pick some flowers, they will pick some fruits, they will pick some plants also. If gardener is there, he will keep those flowers and plants by the people. Okay, then washerman. Yes, washerman is a person who cleans and irons our clothes, isn't it? They will wash our clothes and they will make them iron, isn't it? We will give our clothes to iron. On that time they will cleans and irons the clothes, then they will return to. Those people are called as washermen. They are specially there to clean and to iron the clothes. Okay, they only collect the clothes and they will take those clothes and they will wash there and they will make them iron also. After that they will give back to us. Okay, then grocer. Have you saw the grocery shop near to your home? Yes, on that grocery shop there is a person who sells grains and other food items. If you want wheat or if you want jowar, if you want rice, where you will go? Yes, you have to go to grocery shop. Then grocer will gives us what we want. Okay. Yes, he will sells grains. Grains means kalu. Okay. Then other food items, whatever we want, that will be present in that shop and grocer will gives us those items. Okay. ನಾವೇನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಶಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಕಿರಾಣಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಗ್ರೋಸರಿ ಶಾಪ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, yes, that person who is present in the grocery shop is called as grocer, who sells grains and other food items. And fireman, he is one of the main important person in our society who helps to put out fires. If fire fall on the building, okay, what you will do? Yes, on the time you had to call for the firemen. Okay, yes, on that time firemen will come with water and they will help to put out the fire. Have you saw the picture of fireman? Yes, see now, that is a picture of fireman. See what he is doing. Yes, there is a building which is burning by the fire. On that time fireman will take the water pipe and they will help to put out the fire from that building. He is keeping us safe, right? Yes, if we don't have fireman, then the building will burn out completely. Okay, yes, then fireman helps us to put out the fires. You have two more persons. Let us see. Yes, the next one is mechanic. Repairs the vehicle. If our vehicles not in the right condition, then mechanics will repair the vehicle. They will bring back the vehicle in the right condition. Okay, yes, then florist, who sells flowers and bouquets. In the previous class I told you bouquets means hoogucha. Okay, the person who are going to sell the flowers and who will sells the bouquets. Okay, that person will called as florist. Okay, yes, see the picture, that is a picture of florist. See what he is doing. He is going to sell the flowers and bouquets. See here, dear children, here are some wreaths. What do you mean by wreaths? Humale. Okay, yes, And also see here, you may see bouquets, okay, hooguchagalu. See, like this, florist sells wreaths and bouquets. Yes, dear children, these are all different people who are going to help us in our daily life. Today we learnt about many persons who are going to help in our daily life. Let us recall those. Milkman. Milkman, he is a person who delivers the milk to all homes, okay? Who is going to supply the milk to all the homes. Then sweeper. Sweeper is a person who is going to clean our neighborhood, who is going to clean our surrounding, okay? Then postman. Postman delivers letters to us, okay? Then police. Police will catch the thieves and keep us safe. Then doctor. Doctor helps us when we are sick or when we are ill, okay? Doctor will make us to be healthy when we are sick or ill. Watchman. Watchman is a person who will guards our colony or who will protect our colony. Then gardener. Gardener is a person who is going to take care of the garden, who will look after the flowers and the plants in the garden, who will supplies water to all the plants in the garden. Then washerman. Washerman will wash our clothes and he will make iron of those clothes and he will return those clothes to us. Then grocer. Grocer is a person who will sells the grains and other food items also, right? Grocer will sells the grains and other fruit items. They will give us what we want and we have to give them money, okay? Then fireman. Fireman helps us to put out the fire when building or when something is connected to the fire. Then mechanic. Mechanic repairs the vehicles and he will bring back the vehicle into the right condition. Then the last one is florist. The person who sells the flowers and who sells the bouquets is called as florist, okay? Dear children, these are all different people who are going to help in our daily life, and these are the different persons who service us and who are making our life easier. We have to thank all of them, right? Yes. Dear children, here is one activity for you, that is fill in the blanks. See, you have to write this in the assignment book and send me the photocopy. Okay. First one, dash treats us when we are sick. Who treats us when we are sick? Yes, you have to write that name in the blank. Okay. See the second question. Dash repairs vehicle. Who repairs vehicle? Yes, write that in the blank. Third one. Dash delivers letters to us. Then fourth one. Dash sells grains and food items. Then the fifth one is dash put out the fires. Okay. You had to write answers for all these questions in the assignment book and send me the photocopy. I hope you all understood the today's class. Let us meet in the textbook activity of this sixth topic, that is people around me. Until then, keep learning. Thank you. Bye children.